Technology expenses can unexpectedly add up, making it challenging for your business to manage budgets. Here's your guide to understanding IT expense planning. Smart budgeting means spending wisely to support your business goals and create room to grow. Begin by identifying what you're actually paying for and eliminating any unnecessary costs. Focus spending on investments that improve security, productivity, and training rather than just buying flashy gadgets. Organize your budget into clear categories such as hardware, software, or support to track expenses more effectively. Always plan for emergencies with backup solutions to avoid costly disruptions. Keep your budget flexible to handle changes like growth, new hires, or remote work. Ready to simplify your IT budgeting? Contact us today to help streamline your IT expenses.